Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kador bar mang tingkah ne kasngi kan reu trik uyayong. Kalayatai khambon halor ki babon kimat ki balakran daulat kejela ugangga prasad kabau lawan ra hakasngi baningkong jogani kador bar haubnail ber balala. Kawai pat kamat kabak hamrhem kejingeta ne kasngi kadai halor kapang jong kabha lej pule jong kisamla kani kejela shabar jela khamtam kitiki balej pule engineer doktor bat kiwai ki kerdan pule hakaba kejela Meghalaya hadu menta kampat don ka polisi kabakarpang ban bha ya kisamla ki balej pule shabar kejela hakaba barosh kata labha katkum kabha thongkam hapo kejela.
So there were many points raised about education. That's the reason I say that we are giving one of the top priorities to education is because we all know until unless our children are educated and they get the schools and the teachers that they deserve, our state will not be able to develop the future. It's not about the infrastructure in the schools, it's about the quality of education. And it is not just the primary level education, sir, it is higher, technical, and ensuring that each individual comes out as a good citizen. And I think that is ultimately what the objective of a good education system and policy should be. We should come out with good, responsible citizens. Having said that, sir, many issues were brought out. I would like to thank Mr. Meralphonse here, Maria Kusama, Mr. Sun, and others who mentioned about the importance of colleges in our districts. So I think this is an issue to remember when we were the Chief Minister in 2008 and I was doing the cabinet as Finance Minister. So we had taken a decision that we must have one government college in every district. And sir, based on that decision, if you remember, sir, we had sanctioned the colleges for William Nagar, Bakhara and Sohra. So it is with the same spirit, the same ideas that we had started, we want to continue. It's a challenge for us. I'm not saying that we can open one college in every district in 1 year's time, but it's one of those objectives that we have. And as I said, it's in line with what we have, the values and ideas that can instill in us. So right now, as you're aware, all the districts do not have government colleges. The government has initiated the process of setting up community colleges by developing some of the existing grant-aided colleges and in addition, some new community colleges have been planned to be set up. Although government will be the funding agency, the colleges will be administered by the governing body comprising members from the community parish. Following grant-aided colleges are to be converted to community colleges. Longstoin College, Chirot Singh Memorial College, Rigoy College, Shlokalumpo, Shankun College, Shankun, and Jettiya Eastern College in Kerala. There are new community colleges that will be set up in Tura, Mapati, Chokpur, and Pune. So apart from that, what is the community colleges? As I said, sir, our level will be to have one community college in every district. And it is, of course, based on financial availability, as that is the first challenge that we have. But since education will be in our priority list, so we plan to give as much attention to this as possible. And thank you to Maria for mentioning about the importance of mathematics and science. So science and mathematics have been strengthened at the school level and state through various interventions of SSA and RMS. The same has been followed up so that equal opportunities provided to ourselves, especially in children and farmers. So the point here is that our children have some sort of a factor when it comes to mathematics and science. And I think apart from us as a government having as many science and mathematics streams as possible, so I think it is important that we inculcate the interest of science and mathematics in our children from a very young age. So I think that this has to be done. This can only be done when all